So it struck me the similarity between blockchain, which information flows through, and genetics or DNA that information flows through, and how similar they are in that blockchains are more similar to species than individuals, and a species has many individuals who live and die, and then they have metabolism, and that's more similar to the tokens and applications. And so the evolution of genetics has been going on for 4 billion years, and has a lot of things that have happened over that time. And so if you look at blockchain with that kind of model and framework, you can look at, well, what is the likely evolution of blockchains, more plural, like multiple species of blockchains, and that how these are subject to natural selection the same way as biological living creatures are. And so each blockchain can be a little different, like different species, and they're subject to whether they survive or go extinct based on how they fit in the environment. And the environment is changing all the time, and so different ones will change and survive and disappear otherwise. Sure, I think it's becoming increasingly ubiquitous, and the people are starting to understand blockchain and cryptocurrencies a lot more, and the potential applications are becoming more obvious, and so I think there's a lot of progress in the market, less waving of arms and speculation, and more actual things happening. New companies, new kinds of tokens, new kinds of applications that you can actually start using now, and the more exciting to me is the new applications development that are coming to the internet and using blockchain, and new sort of token models that improve upon traditional finance and traditional investing, and some of the kinds of distributed applications that are possible now that people are implementing. Well, some of the first to implement useful things on blockchains are the crypto token currencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, or which has the Ether coin. Like they are something that's usable as an investment, as a currency, as a commodity, as a store of value primarily, that is managed on a blockchain, and they're very widely used, up to $500 billion in these things in the last year, really. I think the forum's great. It has a very global feel of the people who are here, pretty sophisticated, experienced people with regard to blockchain and crypto things, and a really diverse mix of people, from software people to government to regulators to investors to entrepreneurs, and across the board from around the world. There's from so many different countries have all gathered in this place, so it's really a special thing in that way.